Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file. You may not have the appropriate permission to access the item. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting this type of error, Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file, you may not have the appropriate permission to access the item while when you try to run any application or try to install any application, you will get this type of error. Usually you will get this type of error in Windows 10. So I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then type here Settings, then click on the Settings. In this you can see here Privacy and Security. Just click on this. You can see here Windows Security. Just click on this. You can see here App and Browse Control. Just go to the App and Browse Control. Guys, you can see here Reputation Based Protection Setting. Just click on this. After that you need to scroll down a little bit. Under Potentially Unwanted App Blocking, you have to make sure that Blocks App is unchecked. Click on yes and close the window. After doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows cannot access the specified device, path or file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.